Updating your legal name on Arweave is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Access your Arweave account. Log into your Arweave account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is usually found in the profile menu or dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Find name update option. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in a designated field. Double check for any spelling errors to ensure accuracy. Follow any additional prompts that may appear. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new name, save the changes. You may receive a verification email. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm the update. Make sure to keep your account information secure and monitor for any confirmation regarding the name change.